Hello guys, we will make a beautiful hairstyle using the hairband. So take this cloth hairband and tie it in the hairs by making the plaits. Fix it as we are fixing. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Then we will tie both the hairs to make the two ponytails and it's ready. Further, we will make a beautiful hairstyle. So tie a ponytail and leave few section of the hairs in the front, and then we will make the plaits in the side section of the hairs as shown in the video. Fix it with the ponytail and then we will make the plaits further. Now roll it around the hairs upward to make it a bow like shape. Now fix the hairs with a hairpin and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now further, we will make the plaits downwards, make the plaits and then tie it using the rubber band and it's ready. Further, we will make a beautiful hairstyle. For that, we will make the plaits on the side. Make the plaits using the hairs as shown in the video. Now tie it to the ponytail at the back. Now tie the ponytail from the between, then rotate it and make a bow-like shape and fix it. Tie a beautiful hair accessory to it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.